Hey, Jeff Cheesehead Flipper here, and well, oh boy, I kind of have a embarrassing problem here. I don't really know how this happened, but I've been really busy at my real job and other things, and little man was sick for a while, and things kind of got out of control. You wanna see what I mean? Come on. Let's go. I'll show you. So this is my problem. Walking into my office. Oh boy. What is all of this? That's quite the mess. Get more into my office and holy smokes. What is going on here? Oh wow. It just gets worse. Wow. My desk is a mess. Everything is a mess. And holy crud, I can't even work in this area. I mean, there's just... Oh, I knocked something over trying to turn around. I got my kid's meal sitting on my shipping scale. By the way, this is kind of cute. My little man likes to come down here and help Daddy work. So I gave him a keyboard and a mouse and made him a little desk. But he wasn't happy enough with that. He had to plug these things in. So he found his toy spatula and made me plug his keyboard and mouse into his computer. He just sits down there, has fun all day. So we're going to keep something for him. But this mess is just making this area... I can't even work in here. This is bad. How bad is your area? So things have clearly gotten just a tad, just a teeny bit out of hand. So tonight's mission, if you choose to accept it, and I have no choice in this matter, is I have to try to organize and clean this, so... Oh boy, it's gonna be fun. Let's see. Let's see if can I do it. I don't know. Ooh wee! Making some progress on this cleanup, but man, I don't know if we're going to get this done in time. Is there any way you can come back from this when you only got 37 seconds left? Alright, so I feel like I didn't do too bad. I mean, it's not perfect. I mean, I still have this clutter of unlisted inventory by my entryway. That's just going to be a gotta get the listed thing. But coming in here, I mean, this is just going to be a much, much better place to get work done. Has some stuff I'm going to list tonight up on the table, but other than that, that's going to be cleared off here shortly. That organized, got the floor. So one of the big issues I was having is going to my listed inventory. I was having to climb over stuff. That's never good. I couldn't get to this stuff. And just cluttered. I didn't want to be down here. So this work area definitely is not perfect by any means. But the whole point is it's now operational. That was my goal the whole time. And next I have to run my team down in the last 37 seconds to get a touchdown. I still get my team in position to kick a field goal. So, yeah. Is your work area ready for quarter 4? Is it not? If it's not, get it ready right now, because you need to get your area ready. You need to get everything. You need to get your shipping supplies. I'll link some up there about that. Get all shipping supplies ordered. Get your inventory organized. Get your unlisted inventory listed. Now, I'm not going to be able to get all of mine unlisted, but, you know, kind of funny thing, when I was cleaning up all this mess, I found about 12 or 13 items on the floor. Yeah, on the floor. Under garbage. Under old boxes. Under piles of clothes. That are currently in the key season to sell on Amazon. I listed those guys, and within the last day or two, every single one of them sold. And I sold them for between, probably an average of $50 per item. And I could have got more if they would have been sent to Amazon my last Amazon shipment. But unfortunately, they were on the floor and I didn't even know I had them. That's another good advantage of getting your area organized. You may find some hidden treasures. So, get your area organized. Get yourself prepped for fourth quarter. I have a few other things I'm going to do for my fourth quarter prep, but we're just about to the end of the third quarter. So pretty soon we're going to be moving into just full-on blown pushing inventory. But before you can push inventory, you have to create the proper environment. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video, and you guys keep on listing, keep on selling. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.